angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel. Now come to butterfly. Now drop, stall. Now we're going to do that turn again. We're going to go around 4 times. So we go 1, step and turn, 2, step and turn, 3, step and turn, 4, step and turn, and you're facing where you started. And now we're going to go into an overhand butterfly and thread the needle. And bring the thread the needle up over the head, horizontal. And then from here, we're going to take the right poi, bring it down, tap yourself on the back or butt, and then turn to the left and come into the counterclockwise corkscrew. And then plane shift it up into pinwheel. And then come down to overhand weave on the left, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, open up the weave, get into same time, go into the cap 4 times, and 3, and 2, and 1. We're going to do a left turn 360, come all the way around, back to underhand cap 4, and remember to push it out in the front, and 2 more. Last one, do a right turn 360, and then come back into the cap 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn left to the overhand cap, and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right turn 360, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Left turn 360, and back to the cap. Come into the overhand weave. Turn right to underhand weave. Turn left to pinwheel. Make it big, 4, and 3, and 2, and go 360 on 1, all the way around. And 4, 3, 2, and all the way around. And 4, 3, 2, and all the way around. And last one, 4, 3, 2, and spin all the way around. Back into the pinwheel, small, turn left to overhand weave, open it up, stall left, stall right, stall left, stall right, stall left, stall right, stall left, stall right. And if you did the same thing I did, you're back in overhand, go into overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, open it up, wrap the poi around your hand, make it short poi, come into the underhand buzzsaw, tap the right one on your back, and we'll do the Sparky special. So butt and circles, and back and butt circles, taps, circles, taps, circles, taps, circles, taps, circles. And then if you did it like me, you're in right hand, overhand, left hand, underhand. We're going to turn left, bring the left one over the top. They're both on the front, in underhand, opposite. We're going to release the poi, come into butterfly on the front, go back to the hip rail, and then from here, we're going to go back to the butterfly, then into the stack circle, bring the right one up, 5, 6, 7, and to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, last time right, last time left, come back down into the butterfly, bring it up to the angel, 4, and down, 3, and down, 2 more, and last one, come back down to the pinwheel and extension, right, then left, then right, then left, right, left, right, left, down to underhand opposite butterfly, then into your hip reel again, and then we're going to go back to the front of the butterfly, bring the right hand up, and 5, 6, 7, to the right, to the left, 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 come back down, and come into underhand butterfly again. Ooh, try not to hit your nose like I did. And then drop stall, and we're gonna do 4 turns again like we did before. Look left, step right, come over the top. Look left, step right, come over the top. Look left, step right, come over the top. Last time, look left, step right, come over the top, back into overhand butterfly. And we'll do a butterfly turn around left, left out, right in, left out, right in. Now turn to the right, right out, left in, right out, left in. Now we'll traverse, so move over to the right side of your stage, and then we're gonna turn left, left out, step right, right hand in, facing away from me, flip your left hand out, step your left hand back, and flip your right hand back into overhand butterfly. Now we'll go the other way, right out, step your left foot forward, Bring your left hand into underhand butterfly facing away. Step your right foot back as you flip your right one out and you turn back to the front. Let's do it a little faster. So left turn, moving left, left out, step and turn, right in, left out, step and turn, right in, going to the right, right out, step and turn, left in, right out, step and turn, left in, going left again, left out, step and turn, right in, and left out, step and turn, right in, turning right, right out, step and turn, left in, right out, step and turn, left in, and last set, left out, step and turn, right in, and left out, step and turn, right in, and going to the right, right out, step and turn, left comes into underhand, and right out, step and turn, left comes back into overhand butterfly. Now thread the needle again, bring it back up over your head, and this time we're going to tap the left point on the butt, come into clockwise corkscrew, turning to the right, and then bring it down, tap it on the hip, and come back up into counterclockwise C-caps, so your sprinkler,